Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing this beautiful headphones from Fancois at Mimi. These are black in color and they come along with a USB charger and auxiliary. This Bluetooth headphones are very well made. As you can see, it has a nice cushion support for your ears over here on both the sides, and it is also adjustable. You just need to pull this according to your requirement and push it back. You can do it from the both sides over here. It also has a cushion support on the top over here, as you can see. Now there are certain functions which are given on the headphones on the right side of the earphone over here at the bottom. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, so this is the speaker and this is for the aux. I'll open and show you. Okay, this is for the aux to insert, and the other side is for the micro USB slot over here. Now this is the on and off button, and it's a play pause button, and these two buttons are for the forward and rewind tracks and for the volume up and down. Now to switch on this Bluetooth headphones, you need to press it and it will start. It's blue light, it means it has switched on. Now to pair it, you need to press it again, and okay, hold it and you can hear again a beep. Okay, so when the red and blue light is blinking, it says it's ready to pair. So now I have my device over here. I'm connecting it to a tablet, and I'll search for this headphones in my settings, Bluetooth, and yeah, it says it is displayed as Hardy. So it is connecting. So once it is connected, you can see a blue light over here. Now yeah, there's the blue light. Now I'll play some songs on it. I have a nursery rhyme that I'm going to play on it, and the output is amazing. You can hear it over here. There's a speaker over here from where you can hear it. This is the maximum volume, and in order to decrease the volume, okay, yeah, this is for the increasing. So I want to decrease the volume, so I'll press down this button. Yeah, the volume has been decreased. And this is for the max volume. And now in order to change tracks, this is the button. Okay, yeah, you just need to press this button once for the next track, and this button once for the previous track. And to switch it off, you need to again press this button, press hold, and you will see a red light and it's switched off. This was very comfortable when I used it, and the noise cancelling function, it actually works. When I had these headphones over my ears, I couldn't hear what's going outside. So in a way, it's a plus point and also a negative point. And also I hooked this headphones with the aux cable to my projector when I was seeing a movie, and it actually worked without any issues. Very comfortable, the sound output is great, and it doesn't hurt my ears at all. It's a great product for this price, and I would highly recommend to buy this. Thank you.